Good morning, students. Now we are going to begin with our next topic. In the previous topic, what we had studied, what are the irrational numbers? What are the irrational numbers? The numbers which cannot be represented in the P by Q form such that Q not equal to 0 and whose decimal form is non-terminating and non-recurring. Such numbers are called as irrational numbers. And how were the irrational numbers formed? By right angle theorem. Right angle triangle, that is Pythagoras theorem. And which examples of irrational numbers have we studied? The numbers, the square roots of non-perfect squares. All the square roots of non-perfect squares are irrational numbers. And non-perfect square means what? The squares which are not present in the list of perfect square. The square root of such numbers, they are irrational numbers. Can you make the irrational numbers on your own? Can you give some examples of irrational numbers? Any example we can take. What is important? Non-terminating, non-recurring. So we can write any example. Suppose 51.01001 0001 00001 and so on. Means what? There should not be any repetition of a group of numbers or a single number. Another example you can make, suppose 213.0102060971 and so on. Like this you can make examples of irrational numbers on your own. Now, if someone asks you that tell one irrational number between 0.23 and 0.24. Okay, these two are rational numbers. Why? Because they are terminating. They are terminating. So, इन दोनों के बीच में, sorry, here it should be 0.25. तो अगर किसी ने पूछा कि इन दोनों के बीच में एक irrational नंबर बताइए, so what you will say? Can you say that it is 0.24? No, 0.24 is wrong answer. 0.24 इन दोनों के बीच में है, पर ये तो rational है क्योंकि ये terminating है, डिवीजन खत्म हो रहा है, तो ये रैशनल नंबर नहीं है. ये रैशनल नंबर है जो इन दोनों के बीच में है पर इरैशनल नहीं है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल राइट 0.24. 0.24 पक्का लिखेंगे हम. एंड आफ्टर दिस यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग ऑफ योर ओन. 01, 001, 0001 and so on. One more can you write? Keep 0.24 as it is. Then you can write 02, 002, 0002 and so on. So like this, how many irrational numbers can you write between two numbers? Infinite. Infinite irrational numbers are there between two rational numbers. Now, one more thing we had studied yesterday, that on the number line there are irrational numbers. There are infinitely many numbers on a number line. They are irrational numbers. Means irrational numbers भी number line पर होते हैं. तो वो कैसे शो करेंगे number line के ऊपर? That we are going to study. Rational numbers भी हमने दिखाए थे number line के ऊपर. कैसे दिखाए थे? Do you remember this practice set? How to show rational numbers on a number line like this by making equal parts. ये हो गया हमारा rational numbers कैसे शो करेंगे. अब हमारा टॉपिक है कि irrational numbers हम जो है √2, √3 वो सब कैसे शो करेंगे नंबर लाइन के ऊपर. So first First step is draw a number line. Second step is mark the origin or the center of the number line. Suppose this is your 0, means origin. 0 को क्या नाम देते हैं हमेशा? O, point O. Then what we will take? We will take two numbers on both the sides. Okay, suppose this is 1. At how much centimeter I have taken? 1, 2, 3. Then again 1, 2, 3. This is 2. Same way we will mark on left side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I have taken 4 points. 0 के बाद 1. This is 2. This is -1 and this is -2. So give a name to 1 unit. Okay. Now we have already studied that from root 2 comes from where? When we draw a right angle triangle of two sides having the length 1 unit and 1 unit. जब हम राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करते हैं जिसकी बेस और हाइट 1 यूनिट की है, तब उसकी जो हाइपोटेनियस होती है वो √2 यूनिट्स की होती है. AC is √2 units. Means here also if we draw the hypotenuse, then we will get the number √2. So first what we will draw? Step number 1, draw number line. Step number 2 is from point 1 we have to draw a perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90-degree line. So this is our 90-degree angle and we will join the point A and this point. So this is our perpendicular. You can use a set square also for drawing perpendicular line. After drawing this perpendicular, what we will do? We will take a distance of 1 unit and we will mark it on the point on the line A. See, this is 1 unit distance. Same distance we will mark on this line, perpendicular line. जितना distance 0 और 1 के बीच में है उतना ही distance हम 1 से यहाँ ड्रॉ करेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि हमको एक ऐसा ट्राइंगल बनाना है जिसकी दोनों साइड 1 यूनिट की है. कौन सी दो साइड? बेस एंड हाइट. ओके. नाउ what we will do is we will write down the Pythagoras theorem. Next step is write down the Pythagoras theorem. First of all, we will give here some names. Suppose this is the point P. How much is OA? 1 unit. Then how much will be AP? This also 1 unit. So 1 unit, 1 unit. This is a perpendicular. So we will give a symbol of right angle and we will join the segment OP. We will join the segment OP. So OP कितना रहेगा? See here, जब भी बेस और हाइट 1 यूनिट की होती है तो हाइपोटेनियस ये जो है AC ये कितनी होती है? √2. In the same way here also we have drawn the same triangle 1 unit 1 unit. तो हाइपोटेनियस कितना होगा? √2. मतलब OP जो डिस्टेंस है वो हमारा है √2. ओके. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट डाउन हियर? बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम OP square equal to OA square plus AP square. OA means this much. How much? 1 unit. AP also by compass we have taken 1 unit. 1 square 1, 1 square 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So OP square is 2. Therefore OP is √2. Taking square roots on both sides we get OP is √2. Means this much distance is root 2. So what we will do? We will keep a compass at point O and we will take distance root 2 in our compass. तो ये डिस्टेंस जितना है उतना ही डिस्टेंस हम हमारी लाइन पे मार्क करेंगे. सी दिस डिस्टेंस एंड दिस डिस्टेंस, ये रूट 2 है इतना, तो इतना भी रूट 2 ही रहेगा. मीन्स दिस पॉइंट विच वी हैव गॉट, सपोज वी विल गिव इट अ नेम Q. So this Q point is our root 2 on the number line. So by using Pythagoras theorem and drawing right angle triangle, we can show the irrational numbers on the number line. So your homework is write down this heading in your notebook and practice this, how to show number line on root 2. And you have to write this also, Pythagoras theorem. In next lecture, we are going to study that how we will show root 3, root 5 on the number line. Root 3 or root 5 हम number line पे show करेंगे. Understood this much? First step is draw number line. Second step is mark this point as A and take this much distance and mark here. Keep the compass here and this much distance mark on the perpendicular line. Then next step is write down the Pythagoras theorem. So when you will join OP, whatever distance is there between O and P, same distance we will mark on the number line, and that will be your point root 2. Okay, thank you.